Hey everybody, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in the mountains of North Carolina. Hopefully you can hear me over the sound of the wind. But it is time, it's part 4, the final part, to put this back on and give it a try. Now, I took this thing off like 2 years ago, so I don't even remember how it goes on, but we're going to find out together. First step, of course, would be to slide this thing up underneath, and we'll go from there. So let's get started. Okay, boy, that wind's blowing. You're probably having a hard time hearing me. Let me get the camera closer in and we'll get some of the pins hooked back up. I'm going to drop the controllers down for the arms, and hopefully we'll be able to grab hold of this thing without too much prying. Well, I've got it all the way hooked up. I'm sorry I couldn't show you that, but there's just no way. I don't have a stand low enough to hold this thing down here, and this was not a one-handed job. But the rear attachment is there. Your two height adjustments are right there, and then up here are your two front mounts, there and there. So that, and hooked up the belt, and we're ready to go take this thing for a spin. It does fit pretty well under there. Stand up here and back away a little ways. It's a big one. 50-inch deck is probably the largest they had in this series of tractor. But the raise and lower work fine. Plenty of ground clearance when it's in the up position. Yeah, looks pretty good. Springs are good. Everything looks good. Everything looks good. But let's go take it for a spin, fire it up, and see what it's like. Well, not too bad for a first cut. Looks like the outboard blade on the driver's side is a little lower than the others, so I'll have to go back and I don't know, I'm gonna have to maybe remove a washer from that side to raise that just a smidge. It looks more noticeable here in the video probably than it is. It's only a fraction of an inch off, but because the grass isn't very long and I had it cutting at almost its lowest height just to see how it would do, it shows up a little more pronounced. So I'll mess with that a little bit, but overall, for a winter project, for about $100, not bad. Not bad. So now the old garden tractor that I got for 40 bucks is now, I'm in it for about 140 bucks. Well, plus tires. I put those ag tires on there. So we'll say a little more. We'll say 250. But I got a beautiful garden tractor that has a 50-inch deck and seems to be doing the job just fine. Anyway, I'll leave it at that. I am Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms, and this is the end of the winter mower deck rehab. If you like this video, maybe you will like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.